Most people were sellers on Friday because they invest with their emotions. I was a buyer on Friday because I learned years ago to replace my emotions with real research and facts. It's one of the things that allows me to be at the right place at the right time and avoid the wrong places at the wrong time. I'm not perfect, but I do a pretty good job. The only thing I wish I did on Friday was even buy more. So most people are kicking themselves today, and I am loving myself. If you are finally at a place where you are done investing with your emotions, you want to invest based on real research and facts, take the next step. Reach out to me. Click that little red email icon in my bio. The S&P 500 recovering very nicely today. Now we just have the unconfirmed breakdown below 6,696. Not every day or week, but I think we can generally head higher from here and make brand new all-time highs. Again, remember, anything can happen, but history says that the fourth quarter of the year by far is the best for stocks. I hope you're invested. Huge day for gold. Again, I hope you're in this trade with me. How many times have I shared with you? If you decide to buy some, then put a stop sell order on it. And then if it does go up, which it went up big again today, you can replace that stop sell order with a trailing stop sell order. Well, if you chose to do that, now could be the time to change that and put it in a trailing stop sell order. I pray you are in gold with me. Natural gas, as seen here, about flat on the day as of about 2:18 in the afternoon. But UNG and a lot of the ETFs that track natural gas were actually lower on the day, which I love because the hedge that I had on my long natural gas trade, the trade that makes money as natural gas prices fall, was up again today. I did happily sell half of that hedged position. So now only half of my long natural gas trade is hedged. I am looking here for a potential bottom coming in natural gas. I can't tell the future. I won't time it perfectly, but I will put the profits that I just made going short on natural gas and the rest of them when I get out of it into more natural gas going long. When I think it's time, we are still rocking that unconfirmed breakdown below $3.02 a cubic foot. There is still a chance for natural gas to come down further before it goes up, so pay attention. Watch my channel here to see how it goes. There could be an opportunity coming up to short your favorite bond fund here. We are looking at the 20-year yield making an unconfirmed breakdown below 4.62%. So if we can confirm the breakdown tomorrow by closing meaningfully lower, then the 20-year yield could come down to about 4.56%. Should that happen and then yields kind of base there, well, yields could then move up. That means bond funds would move down. So not today, maybe not even tomorrow, a little bit of patience, but I'm looking to short my favorite bond fund. Going long crude oil is also on my radar. We have unconfirmed breakdowns below $61.53 a barrel and $60.11 a barrel. May or may not be interesting that we came up to about $60.11 a barrel earlier today and then came back down. It would be even more bearish in the immediate term if we can confirm some of these breakdowns. We shall see, but the next trade in crude oil could be going long. Pay attention. Earnings season really starts tomorrow morning before the bell when a lot of the big banks report, and I really don't care what the rearview mirror looks like, prior sales and profits and whatnot. I'm much more interested in what they have to say about the future, about the economy and their outlook, and especially about the consumer and their level of borrowing. Remember late last week when I brought you that article where consumer borrowing had more or less come to a standstill, the rate of change, right? And that possibly could be another sign of the economy cracking. So I want to pay attention to their forward-looking guidance tomorrow. Pay attention. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.